Presenting Allergan's 5-year strategy plan, created in line with Allergan's vision of being a leading global pharmaceutical company. The company's current strengths include their mergers and acquisitions, use of strategic alliances, internal product development, and patent ownership. Strategies proposed in this 5-year plan include geographical expansion, outsourcing, alteration to Allergan's supply chain, and DTC digital marketing strategy to penetrate the Southeast Asian pharma market. Allergan's biggest contribution to revenue is from North America, with no other region generating more than 10% of total revenue. This does not align with Allergan's vision, and so these international markets represent an important opportunity for expansion. It is evident that there are emerging markets in Vietnam and Indonesia. Further analysis using a pestle directed our proposal of using direct-to-consumer marketing in Indonesia. Indonesia's rapidly growing economy and increasing social acceptance of medical aesthetics are the influences of this decision. The way in which we can measure our success is by monitoring sales growth, market gain, and net promoter scores. Currently, Allergan's raw materials are sourced from third parties, with suppliers based all over the world. For certain products, only one supplier can provide specific raw materials, leading to increased supplier leverage regarding pricing and terms. Furthermore, an issue with a heavily relied upon supplier could cause detrimental issues in the production line. Our proposal revolves around the recent acquisition of Allergan by AbbVie. The acquisition will make them the 5th largest pharmaceutical company in the US, making it more viable for this joint entity to move downstream and manufacture its own activated pharmaceutical ingredients, thus cutting the cost of raw materials for Allergan's own products, as well as sourcing revenue from third-party sales of APIs. Together with plans to expand into Southeast Asia, manufacturing APIs in Indonesia, either through direct development or with leading established companies such as Kimia Pharma, will not only cut costs for Allergan and eliminate supplier leverage through vertical integration, but will also generate income from a growing generic pharmaceuticals market in need of local API suppliers. Allergan has various manufacturing plants around the world, including the USA, Ireland, and Brazil. Allergan must bear the cost of maintenance and overheads of these, despite poor generation of revenue in locations other than North America. Allergan's competitive advantage is their patents and not their manufacturing process, and therefore, a proposed strategy is to outsource Allergan's products to other manufacturers, namely in Indonesia. This decision came following a value chain and pestle analysis. Indonesia has been identified as an emerging market, and Allergan already has an existing base there through its current exporting of Juvederm fillers. Kalbe Pharma is the leading drug manufacturer in Indonesia, with a large distribution network obtaining 15% of the market share. Therefore, outsourcing manufacturing to them will cut costs and decrease liabilities. Another option would be to directly develop manufacturing plants in Indonesia. With regards to the two approaches, outsourcing to Kalbe Pharma can be implemented within a year. However, establishing a manufacturing plant is expected to take around 5 years. Allergan currently heavily invests in DTC marketing through their Project Moonwalker. Spotlight is a digital venture aimed at educating consumers about aesthetic products and enabling them to share their experiences with specialists in the field. Southeast Asia has an internet penetration rate of 63%, compared to the average of 57%. In this fertile digital market, Suyang Technology, a Chinese-based startup, has been enlisting over 200 clinics and tens of thousands of professionals working in the field. The consumers using the platform can review medical aesthetic procedures, provide ratings, as well as interact with experts and providers. The acquisition of Suyang Technology's digital platform will enable Allergan to offer their wide range of aesthetic products not only to clinics and professionals, but directly to consumers. The aims of this are to increase brand loyalty and recognition across the Southeast Asian market, fulfilling the current mission statement of Allergan. These strategies are to be implemented and worked on from 2020 to 2025, and comply with Allergan's vision to become the world's leading global pharmaceutical company, whilst helping people reach their full potential, as evident from their tagline: Our pursuit, life's potential.